Robert here with the Piston Slap channel, and today we are on, looks like Rabbit Creek Trail 167. No idea what how long it's going to be or where it goes. And we had a lot of rain around here. So, been waiting all day actually for it to dry out. So I don't want to tear up the trails any more than they need to be. A little exploring. Right out of camp. Oh, so wet. Beautiful trail. Somebody drove a four-wheeler in here. Probably not the smartest of smart things to do. What are your guys' thoughts on riding these trails when they're all wet and muddy? How long do you how long should you wait to let them dry out? So there's a lookout around here somewhere. It's probably right over there or over here. It's still a little cloudy today, but man, I'll tell you what, yesterday it just rained. And it wasn't one of those like torrential downpours. It was one of those like misty kind of rains. The only place I've ever seen that is like Florida. It's just so humid, it's misty. But a little bit more than that, because I mean, we're up in the mountains, so. So we had that, and then it was mixed with the really heavy rain. Then it go to a light rain. Then the sun would poke out while it's raining. Yeah, it's just all day, man. I went outside and stood in the rain. It's like, hell, might as well enjoy the... That's why I'm out here. Because you sure ain't going to stand in the forest in the rain while you're standing at work. I made myself a little campfire going. dumb moment there for a second. Like I forgot how to ride. My mind said lean and rail, but my body said drive straight into it and then tip up the hillside and stick your foot out. I think that's the trail. I think. Let's go up there and check it out. Come on. Good stall point. Seems like people had problems with that. I made it. Gotta take it easy. We're riding solo today. And I apologize that I'm out of breath. 5,600 feet kind of does it to me. We're gonna take 5 and just relax. Keep moving, of course. Right up to 6,000 feet. Take 5, guys. Get a water. So, I didn't grab water, just put a stick there as a reminder to turn. According to my map, I haven't been here yet. I have been over in that area, so I'm going to ride this trail out and see where she goes. And maybe link it to something else so as I come up here and ride, I know where I'm going for one, and my friends, you know, we can come back and ride this. A nice little hill climb right there, coming back. If we come back this way, we might try to find another trail. If not, it's back to this one. Seeing this tree makes me think of this morning I'm sitting around my campfire and you hear that eerie crackling sound and you know a tree is falling and the crackle turns to a deeper, more gutsy type crack and you're just like, oh no. Start looking around. It's on the next ridge over. No four-wheelers, 598. This is gonna connect. Take 5, guys. Moments later, right? Actually, I just said screw it. We're gonna go with it. Wet goggles and all. Oh, who wanted a shower? Talk about not being able to see where I'm going. Oh yeah. Let's just drive up the side of the mountain through the brush. Oh yeah, she's wet. Whew. I'm sorry guys. I'll wipe you off in a second here. What the front door, Martha. All right, we're right here. That literally is some fun times. Just gotta keep going because the goggles are fogging over, and that's a sign of you're riding too dang slow, and that's the connector right there. That is it, and that's why I missed it. You would have never known. So this, guys, is the end of the vlog here. So if you want to stick around for the whatever, these are going to be on the single track Sundays video, and I think I shot a motovlog, but I'm going to have to do a partial voiceover, and that's it. There's Idaho City's down in that valley down there. Dude, I'm choked, but that's it. So on to shoot the single track Sundays video. I almost forgot, my name's Robert with the Piston Slap channel. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button, the one that looks like this, and subscribe if you want the updates. Make sure you click all the little doodads that YouTube has you clicking, so I can catch you guys on that next one. Again, I'm Robert with the Piston Slap channel. See ya.